So welcome students. In this question you're given equations of two circles, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square, and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. And it's given that they intersected two distinct points. If that is so, what should be the values of r? What are the possible values of r? So again, a very straightforward question. If two circles intersect each other, the condition is that the distance between the centers should be less than r1 plus r2 and more than r1 minus r2. If the distance is more than r1 plus r2, they are lying one outside the other. They won't cut each other. If the distance is less than r1 minus r2, they become one circle inside the other circle. Again, they won't cut each other. So the distance between the center should be in between r1 plus r2 and modulus of r1 minus r2. So this will be the required condition. Now, what is the center of the first circle? The center of the first circle is 1, 3. The center of the second circle is 4 minus 1, right? 4 and minus 1. So the first radius of the first circle is r. The radius of the second circle is nothing but a root of g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. That is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. So r2 is equal to 3. So now, what is the distance between the centers? So the distance between the centers is root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is equal to 5. So the distance between the centers is 5. So 5 should be in between modulus of r minus 3 and r1 plus r2 is directly r plus 3. So this side is very straightforward. R plus 3 should be greater than 5. So r should be greater than 2. And if you go for this side, modulus of r minus 3 can be either r minus 3 or 3 minus r. So r minus 3 less than 5, this implies r less than 8. 3 minus r less than 5. That means r is greater than 2. R is greater than minus 2. So this is not meaningful. Obviously, r will be greater than minus 2. So this will not be any meaningful. So effectively, the condition is r should be less than 8 and r should be greater than 2. So r should be in between 2 and 8 for these two circles to intersect each other at two distinct points. Thank you.